Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Ollama in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Ollama. You'll be getting the official link from ollama.com. Just click that, and here you'll be having the download option, and it's available for Mac, Linux and Windows. So just click on download. So as you can see here, we are having for Windows by default selected for us, and just click on download for Windows. So the download is about 745 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the setup is downloaded, just open it and you'll be having the Ollama installation. Just click on install. So once the installation is complete, I just got a message over here saying Ollama is running. And if I go to search and type Ollama, I'll be having this app over here. And if I click this, here also I'll be having this Ollama symbol over here. So we won't be having any interface or anything because this is just going to run in our background. So now just go to command prompt and just type the command Ollama. And now if you're getting these commands, that means that we have successfully installed Ollama. So now let's see how we can run a particular model. So for doing that, just search for Ollama GitHub and select the first link. And if you scroll down till the end, we will be having how to use Ollama and how to install some of the most commonly used models over here. So for example, in this case, let's go and install Llama 3.2. So this is a 3 billion parameter model and it's just 2 GB in size. So here also we are having the download command. So just copy this, or in case if you are looking for a specific model, you can just go to the downloads page, go back, go to Ollama, and to the top you'll be having search models. So if you click on models, you'll be having literally these many models available: popular, newest, embedding models, or vision models or tools. So you can literally search whatever the model you want over here also. In this demo purpose, I will just go with this Llama 3.2. So again, I will just go to my command prompt and just paste this command, Ollama run your model name, and hit enter. So as you can see, it will be showing us pulling manifest. Basically, it will be just downloading all the necessary files for this particular model. So 2 GB as it has been clearly mentioned over here in GitHub. So just be patient now. So after the model has been downloaded, we will be having an option to send a message. So we can just go and ask any question now. So I'm just going to ask, what model are you, and hit enter. So as you can see here, we have got an instant response. And it says, yeah, I'm an artificial intelligence model on Llama. So we can just ask any question over here. Something like this. And instantly this is going to give us a response. So that's really amazing. And in case if you want to switch to another model, you can just put /by, and that's it. It will just come outside of it. And again, if you want to use this model, you can run the exact same command. So for example, let me clear this, and I'm just going to run the exact same Ollama run Llama 3.2. And this time you saw that, right? The model, it didn't start the download process because the entire model has been already installed, and now you just need to run the exact same command and ask any questions. It will give us the response. So once you download it, it's just running and asking questions. And in case if you want to see the list of models available, you can just close it and yeah, /by. It's going to be Ollama space list and hit enter. So this gives us the model and their size as well as the date when it has been installed. And to find the location where these models are in our system, by default this gets installed in C, users, your username, and you'll be having this .ollama over here. Go inside and go to models. You'll be having blobs, and these are the models that are going to come and appear in your interface. And in case if you feel these models are to be stored in some other location, because this is local disk C, and I know majority of you will be having very less space in local disk C. and in many cases the model sizes are going to be crazy. For example, DeepSeek R1 this 671 billion parameter model is like 400 GB in size, and there are some models which is like 43 GB or 55 GB in size. So in that case, it will be better for us to get these models downloaded in a different local disk. So that's also possible. So for doing that, just go to a new local disk and create a new folder here called as Ollama, and inside that let me just have it as models. Alright, so go inside that and just copy this path. And now the most important thing is you need to stop Ollama from running. So for doing that, click here and you'll be having this icon of Ollama. Right click and just select quit Ollama. Really important thing. Done. And now also close the command prompt. Go to search and type environment. You'll be having this edit the system environment variables. Just click on open, and here click on environment variables. Under user variables, click on new, and you need to have the variable name as Ollama underscore models, and just paste the variable name over here, which is going to be our path. So this needs to be capital. Make sure that you are having the exact same thing over there also. Select OK and OK everywhere. That's it. And now go to search and type Ollama and start the Ollama application. Open it, and now again you'll be having this icon. And now if I go inside models, I'll be having this blobs, which means that this path has been configured successfully. And now if I go to my search and type Ollama list, I'll be getting nothing because we have changed the models folder, right? So now if I again go and select some model over here, so let me go with Llama 3.2 1 billion parameter. I will just copy this and I'm just going to run this. So it's going to pull the manifest and download 1 GB. So I have got success message over here, and if I go to the exact new folder that I'm having the new files getting installed in our new location. So this saves some space in our local disk C. And now let's see the final thing, how we can delete a particular model. So let me just go and list the model now. I'll be having only one model now, and I'm having only this particular model now because I shifted to a new location. So I will just copy this. It's going to be Ollama space rm space your model name and hit enter. That's it. That particular model will be getting deleted. So now as you can see here, the folder is empty. So now if I again list it, it's going to be empty. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in OpenAI, Gemini AI API, AI tools, ChatGPT, Sora, and other CRUD operations and programming in general. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.